Hello everyone. Welder and operator safety is very important in welding. I have got a cautionary tale to share about hazards like electric shock. A story about a new technician who learned the hard way about the importance of electrical safety. It's a story about eagerness and the consequences of overlooking protocols, one that serves as a reminder of the importance of being vigilant when working with powerful machinery. In a bustling factory, a new technician named Sam joined the welding team. Eager to prove himself, on his third day, he noticed a damaged output cable on one of the welding machines. Confident but inexperienced, he decided to replace it immediately. Ignoring safety protocols, he approached the machine while it was still live. Armed only with a spanner, he unscrewed the old cable. Suddenly, the spanner slipped and shorted the output terminal. A blinding flash erupted as high current surged through the metal tool, melting it within seconds. He escaped with minor burns, but the shock was enough to shake his confidence. The chaotic sparks lit up the workshop. The incident echoed through the factory, a stark reminder of the dangers of neglecting safety. From them on, the team reinforced their protocols, ensuring that all technicians understood the necessity of turning off machines before working on them. Safety became the top priority, preventing further accidents. So, what are the recommended preventive practices to follow for avoiding electrical shock in welding? Procuring. Select power source as per IEC standard. Enclosure IP class is degree of protection against penetration by solid objects or water. IP23 is intended for indoor and outdoor both use. Application class S. Power source is designed for use in areas with increased electrical hazard in wet or confined areas. VRD. After procuring the welding machine, proper installation is very important. Connect to the mains using rated plug and socket. Proper MCB or fuse. ELCB or earth leakage circuit breaker will sense body leakage in the machine and trip. Electrical connections are tight, clean and dry. Welder protective clothing. Use protective clothing like dry leather gloves and shoes with rubber soles. Note that no solid foreign object or water should penetrate the machine. It is advisable to follow some rules. Proper grounding of the machine. Use proper return welding cable, not like weld job structure pipelines. Use the correct material and size cables. Now some of the restrictions. Do not touch electrode with bare hand. Do not wear wet or damaged gloves. Do not touch live electrical parts. Preventive maintenance. Regular checking of electrical joints. Periodical cleaning and dust removal as per manual recommendations. Replace all damaged insulating parts.